Parrots, some of the most colorful, charismatic creatures on Earth. But not all parrots live the same kind of life. Today, we're exploring the fascinating differences between wild parrots and pet parrots. From behavior to lifestyle, instincts to ethics, let's dive in. Wild parrots are born into freedom. They live in flocks, fly long distances, and forage for food in forests, savannas, and jungles. Their lives are shaped by nature, survival, and social bonds. Pet parrots, on the other hand, are bred in captivity. They grow up in human homes, surrounded by artificial toys, cages, and routines. Their environment is controlled, and their instincts are often redirected. Parrots are incredibly smart. Wild parrots use their intelligence to find food, avoid predators, and communicate with their flock. Their calls are complex, and their social structures are tight-knit. Pet parrots show their intelligence in different ways. They mimic human speech, solve puzzles, and form strong bonds with their owners. But without proper stimulation, that same intelligence can lead to boredom, frustration, and even behavioral issues. A wild parrot's day is filled with flight, exploration, and interaction. They burn energy constantly and rely on instinct to survive. Pet parrots, however, depend on humans for everything: food, safety, and companionship. They need mental stimulation, physical exercise, and social interaction to thrive. A cage isn't just a home, it can become a prison if their needs aren't met. Here's the truth: parrots aren't truly domesticated. Even pet parrots retain wild instincts. They may bite, scream, or pluck their feathers, not because they're bad pets, but because they're misunderstood. Understanding these instincts is key to being a responsible parrot owner. They're not decorations, they're complex beings with emotional depth. Capturing wild parrots for the pet trade is devastating. It disrupts ecosystems, harms bird populations, and causes immense suffering. Ethical breeders exist, but even then, parrots require a lifelong commitment. If you're thinking of getting a parrot, ask yourself, can I meet their needs for the next 30, maybe even 50 years? Wild or pet, parrots are extraordinary. They challenge us to think beyond convenience and embrace responsibility. If you love parrots, the best thing you can do is learn, respect, and advocate for their well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more animal deep dives, and drop a comment below. What surprised you most about parrots?